Meantime, Central Texas experienced flash floods over the weekend, causing a family-run RV park in Lampasas to evacuate. A body of water there named Little Lucy Creek rose nearly 10 feet.
6 News reporter Juliana Jackson spoke with the park owner about how they have plans in place for weather events like this one and what their next steps are.
Lampasas experienced heavy rainfall and flash flooding. The park tells me they had a plan in place in case of an emergency.
The family-run business Little Lucy RV Park has been open since 2018. When they checked the radar Sunday morning, the family sprang into action. The family went door to door, waking guests and helping them evacuate to higher ground. They had to wade into the water to bring people to safety. 30 of the park's 73 spaces were affected by the flood. Roads were washed out, debris scattered throughout the property, and personal belongings swept downstream.
When we saw it get up close to the picnic table, we'd gauged it that high before and knew that that's when it gets close to kind of like there's a path that it'll cut through and go through the park.
Cleanup efforts are underway, and the family waits for the saturated ground to dry before making permanent repairs.
The park tells me that everyone here now is helping each other pick up the pieces that were left. In Lampasas, Juliana Jackson, 6 News.